Money Supermarket Credit Bank Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get comparison platforms wrong. They assume all options are shown equally. The surprising truth about Money Supermarket is how quickly it allows you to compare credit cards, loans, and bank accounts, and you won't believe how many hidden fees it can help you avoid. Here's how it works. Money Supermarket aggregates offers from multiple banks and lenders, allowing users to filter by interest rates, fees, rewards, and eligibility. It provides detailed explanations, calculators, and tips to help you choose the best financial product. For example, someone looking for a low-interest credit card can see multiple offers side by side, compare APR, and avoid hidden annual fees. Most people get this wrong. They assume the first offer is the best, but Money Supermarket shows a broader picture, saving money and time. Additional features include alerts for new offers, personalized recommendations, and guides for improving credit scores. Users also appreciate the easy-to-navigate interface and quick results. However, there are considerations. Money Supermarket earns commissions from some lenders, so always read the terms carefully. Most people assume recommendations are unbiased. It's important to verify before committing. In conclusion, Money Supermarket is ideal for individuals seeking transparent comparisons and smarter financial choices. Its tools, insights, and filters make navigating credit and banking products easier. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of banking and finance services.